My name is Mark and this is Tom. We run a creative agency in London, but we're also engaged with Cornwall on one of the projects. I think we're going to talk about engagement, really. Oh.
That's like giving yourself more time.
Well, there are two of us. Okay, so with the general election on the horizon, and there's much talk on the subject of political engagement and voter apathy, but is this problem really just confined to politics? And how can design play a role in creating greater engagement? We kind of believe that the problem of perceived public apathy is not just a problem for politics, but is a trend that can be seen in general society, whether it's individuals failing to engage with each other, their communities, public or private institutions, or the state at large. These are all issues that arise from having marginalised sections of society, disconnected and disinterested youth, generational divides, and rural versus urban political divides. So our question really is, can design be used as an effective tool when tackling issues around engagement? We kind of believe it can. We believe that design or creative thinking can be used to offer a package of appropriate and balanced solutions, a kind of a toolkit that allow end users simple access to simple systems in order to communicate their wants or needs to others. In order to do this, we as designers need to be more versatile, less precious, and seek to develop a wide range of solutions that work for different people and for specific situations. To achieve this, we have to become multidisciplinary, more collaborative in our thinking, and we need to be able to fully respond to multifaceted issues that surround public engagement. Shall I grab that?
You guys get 6 minutes.
Yeah, possibly.
Should we be relying on just standalone traditional practices is a point that we've come across. I mean, people often ask us what we do, and we never have an answer in terms of who we are, because we don't feel we can box it into a particular category, and that's something that people maybe don't understand, maybe we don't understand as well. You know, we're talking specifically here about political engagement, using print and product to form end solutions is something that's traditionally been happening. Is this the best way to go, especially if we're talking about individuals and the individual needs rather than a general society, the needs of a society? Can you address it in that way? We believe that some existing schemes that target institutional and public involvement can do more harm than good. We think that intelligent multidisciplinary design processes, outputs and collaborations can challenge the accepted and produce well thought out, well designed and well subscribed projects. A multidimensional solution that affords the end user the opportunity to pick and choose what works best for them is the key. Giving people every opportunity to affect their immediate environment and engineer positive change for themselves. So we're talking about designing, creating toolkits that people can dip into and out of as they see fit, so that you're not isolating anybody, you're actually encouraging engagement on every level. To create an engaged society, maybe we need to look for solutions that enable people to discover talents and passions, form opinion and develop ways to communicate with each other. Talking to Cornish producers, as we are on the project we're working on at the moment, and the local council, we've found no lack of passion or willingness to engage from either party. The challenge is no two persons' needs are the same, and thus a single fix-all solution is insufficient. To encourage sustained change, we need to afford people a voice and multiple tools to solve their problems themselves.